Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and these are the most awesome number balloons. What I love about this package, they're so big. Like, I don't think you understand how big they are. They are half of my size. Sorry, they're a little noisy. They come in a pack of 2, and they are really good. These are filled. I opted filling them with helium, and they worked good. They didn't pop at all, so super happy about that. If you only need one number, then it's great in case there is any sort of mishap that it comes in a 2-pack. But if you're like me and you're celebrating someone's 11th anniversary, then it's perfect. You only have to get one package, and look how cool and pretty they are. They're super shiny. I went with the silver one. They also give you 2 tools. One is a ribbon, and the other is a straw. So the straw would be used for if you want to manually blow up the balloon without using helium, but they work really good for helium as well. If you are in need of some big number balloons to make your party exciting, look no further. Check these balloons out, and that's my point of view.